Hi there, we're all set for your Teochew lessons for beginners. Do you have your preparation worksheet with you? Let's get you ready with some exercises so that you can get the most out of the 2 sessions. Now, whenever you hear this beep sound, please pause the video so that you can practice at your own pace. Oh yes, no cheating. We know we've sent you the answers, but do not open the file until you have completed the exercises. Let's get started now. Listen to these 4 tones and familiarize yourself with them. I'll say each tone twice. When you hear the beep sound, pause the video to practice. First tone, ma, ma. Second tone, ma, ma. Third tone, ma, ma. Fourth tone, ma, ma. Did you get the 4 tones? If not, go ahead, replay the video and hear it again. It's time for our first exercise. What tones do you hear? I'll say each word twice. When you hear the beep sound, pause the video and write down your answer. First word, san, san. Second word, shi, shi. Third word, jiu, jiu. Fourth word, sui, sui. Good. Let's move on to exercise 2. Now, what tones do you hear? First word, si, si. Second word, si, si. Third word, si, si. Fourth word, si, si. Fifth word, si, si. Awesome! Now, try this third exercise. What tones do you hear? First word, jia, jia. Second word, dua, dua. Third word, ang, ang. Fourth word, bè, bè. Fifth word, geng, geng. That's it. Now, check the answers. Did you get everything right? If not, keep trying. It's important for you to know these tones for the workshop. Remember, practice makes perfect. See you soon.